Hey everyone, Neil deGrasse Tyson here. You know, we humans tend to think of ourselves as pretty smart cookies. We went from the Stone Age to the Space Age, for crying out loud. But how sharp are your cognitive abilities, really? In this video, we're going to put those brains to the test with 7 mind-bending riddles. Get ready to challenge your perception, your problem-solving skills, and maybe even your understanding of the universe. Each riddle will give you 20 seconds to find the answer, so think fast. Right, riddle me this. Can you trust your own eyes? Our first challenge throws you right into the fascinating world of visual perception. You'll see an image, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Hidden within the details is something easy to miss. Something that might just make you question how your brain constructs the reality you see. Keep your eyes peeled and your mind open. Next up, we're diving into the realm of language and logic with a classic word puzzle. Now, the human brain is a remarkable word-processing machine. We use language to communicate, to think, to build entire civilizations. But can you untangle the threads of this linguistic labyrinth? Can you decode the hidden message within the allotted time? Remember, sometimes the most obvious answer is the one we overlook. For this challenge, we're tapping into your inner detective. You'll be presented with a scene, an image, rich with detail. But hidden within that visual tapestry is a specific object. Think of it like searching for a specific star in the night sky, except instead of a telescope, you've got your own 2 eyes and the power of your brain. Focus your attention, scan every nook and cranny, and see if you can spot the hidden object before time runs out. Chapter 4. We all have those images ingrained in our minds, iconic landmarks, famous faces, everyday objects, but what if I told you that sometimes our brains can play tricks on us? This riddle presents you with a familiar image, something you've seen countless times before. But something's not quite right. It's like finding a glitch in the matrix, a subtle error that reveals the constructed nature of our perceptions. Can you spot the anomaly before time runs out? Chapter 5. The human brain is a pattern-seeking machine. We crave order, we seek out connections, and we excel at finding patterns in the chaos. But sometimes that tendency to see patterns can lead us astray. In this challenge, you'll be presented with a sequence, numbers, letters, or even shapes. It seems straightforward, logical, but lurking within that sequence is a single solitary error. Can you resist the allure of the pattern and pinpoint the mistake before time runs out? Chapter 6. We humans are social creatures. We live in groups, we learn from each other, and we influence each other in countless ways. But what happens when that influence affects our perception, our judgment, our very sense of reality? This riddle explores the fascinating world of social conformity. You'll be presented with a task, a question, and a group of people who all seem to agree on the answer. But is the group always right? Can you trust your own judgment, even when everyone else seems to disagree? Chapter 7. So, how did you do? Did you breeze through these riddles, your mind as sharp as a tack? Or did you find yourself struggling, your brain feeling a little bit rusty? Remember, just like any muscle in your body, your brain needs exercise to stay healthy and strong. These riddles are just a fun way to challenge your cognitive abilities and keep your mind engaged. How did you do? Share your scores in the comments and challenge your friends. Remember, keeping your brain active is key to maintaining cognitive health. It's like going to the gym, but for your mind. So keep those neurons firing, keep those synapses snapping, and keep exploring the universe with that big, beautiful brain of yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more brain-bending fun.